How to fix if your internet browser opens up automatically with ads when unlocking the phone. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from App Guide. In today's video, I will show you the way on how you can actually fix if your internet browser keeps opening itself with a bunch of ads when you're trying to unlock or open up your phone. But before we get started with the video, if you are new to our channel, do make sure to leave a like, hit that subscribe button, and without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. Now let's say that your default internet browser such as Google Chrome or any other browser which you have on your phone actually starts up opening automatically, and the reason why that happens is due to a third-party application which you likely install. So if you downloaded any of the third-party or malware application recently, you want to actually locate that app. It would usually be at the latest section of your app screen. What you want to do is you want to simply go ahead and then delete that app and see if that fixes the issue, because most of the times, 90% of the time, it is usually caused by the malware applications which has lots of ads inbuilt into it. The other thing, however, is that you just want to go ahead and then open up settings. And once you open up settings over here, what you want to do is you want to go ahead and then look for the option called apps. So simply go ahead and then look for the option called apps. As soon as you tap on apps, you'll see all the various apps. So later you just have to look at the application which is causing the issue. If your ads was loading up in Google Chrome, you have to simply open up Google Chrome, and then you have to go to storage, and then you have to clear the cache, and then go to storage, and then you have to clear the data as well. What clearing the cache and data will do is it will actually reset any of the settings which was built into that particular browser. So you just have to make sure of that. But keep in mind that it is usually caused by third-party applications. So I want you to just go ahead and then locate and uninstall those applications. And this is simply how you can fix if your internet browser opens up automatically when unlocking your phone. We hope the video was really helpful. If it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, queries, or doubts, simply also make sure to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.